Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time within the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. Now, there is no option to change the time within the Merge Mansion game. However, if this feature is important for you, then there is one workaround for this. In order to do this, you will need to change the system time within your phone as well. So proceed with caution and consider yourself warned, as this is not recommended. In order to do this, open up your phone settings and then tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Then type in time and you will see the date and time feature. Go ahead and tap on this, and after going into the date and time menu, you will see automatic date and time. Turn this feature off and you will be allowed to set your date and time manually. You can then tap on the set date as well as the set time option in order to set your desired date and time, and this will also be translated within the game. After you are done playing, it is recommended that you turn back automatic date and time on, and in this way, you will be able to enjoy the game while using your preferred date as well as time. And there you have it. That is how you can change your time within the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.